name is Stephanie Velagal. I'm a faculty member here in chemical engineering at Penn State, and I do research in water treatment. So I was excited to do this camp just to bring what we're doing in their lab at Penn State to these middle school students. They made their own microscope so that they can go home and look at things on their own. These are called fold scopes. We took some of their dirty water that they brought from home and we did something called a bag test, which is something that can be used in the developing world to measure how much E. coli is in water.
Oh my God.
Now tomorrow we're going to be disinfecting that water using things like bleach and boiling and something called a life straw, and something that we've been working on in my lab that we call F-sand, using the seeds of a moringa aloe vera tree. So tell which one's safe.
And control.
And in the morning, we're going to be looking at what are the kinds of treatments that we can use to remove things like metals and bacteria and salt and dyes. And the students will actually be discovering that themselves. On Wednesday, they'll have an opportunity to design their own water treatment process.
I really like this camp, honestly. Probably one of my favorites. Actually, probably my total favorite.